How to add a photo to a contact in Realme GT7. So let's start the video. First of all, open phone app, and then here you can see the option contacts. Now click on contacts, and then here you can select a contact, and then on top you can see the pencil icon. It's mean edit option. Now click on it, and then click on add picture. Now here you can add pictures, Google Photos, monogram, illustrations, and then click on gallery, and then here you can select a photo, and then here you can resize your photo, and then click on choose, and then click on save. So this is the way to add a photo to a contact in Realme GT7. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.